Hey everyone, this is Kyle with Policy Buff, and today we're here with Madeline Myers-Corey for another episode of How I Got the Shot. We've got a bunch of old strip boxes that need to be retired, so we're going to give them one last day in the sun, and we're going to be using strip boxes as our key lights for headshots.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
So right here we have 3 Celestials, each directed directly at Madeline. On each of them we have our 10 by 36 inch strip boxes, and what this setup is going to do is give us nice even lighting, but it's also going to contour her pupils with a perfect triangle. Directly behind her we have a link with just a standard 7-inch reflector pointed at our backdrop to just add a little bit of illumination. And we'll clean up some of the backdrop in post. Moving on to our next setup, we're going to keep these 3 strip boxes exactly like they are, but we are going to go over to our link and we're going to remove our 7-inch reflector and replace it with a 60-inch octabox and turn it directly towards Madeline's back. Now we can have a perfect white backdrop. We are going to turn our backlight down a little bit.
That's really pretty though.
I really like this setup. So we're going to move on to our next setup. We're going to put one of these off to the side as a rim light, and we're going to use these 2 strip boxes as our key and fill. For our final setup, we're going to keep our 2 strip boxes right where they were, and then we're just going to swap that Celestial out, and we're going to go back to the link with the 60-inch octabox as our background. As you can see from our final images, the triangle setup really gave us a great just all-around light. And then once we moved down to 2 lights in front, one as a key, one as a fill, it allowed us to add a little bit more drama, a little bit more shadows on the side of her face. Thank you all so much for watching. Huge shout out to Madeline. Be sure to give her a follow on Instagram, link in bio. Be sure to subscribe for more content. If you have any suggestions for future videos, be sure to drop them in the comments below.